We've had some questions about how to fold the ADDVISOR and wanted to share some quick tips. My name's Greg, and here's how I use the ADDVISOR to stop sun glare. I'm using the charcoal model so that you can see it clearly against my interior. Normally I'd have the ivory color to blend in. Now I have the ADDVISOR attached in what we call visor style, with the logo on the dual hinge facing me. How you attach the ADDVISOR to the rail makes a difference in how it folds. I'll do another video about sunglasses style later. Now here you can see that the ADDVISOR stows up flat against the car visor. This dual hinge lets me get the angle I need to get it away from the windshield and parallel to the visor and the roof. From this position, and before I start driving, I just flip it down, give it a little push, and it folds the opaque visor close to the top of my windshield. This blocks that high sun glare and shades my eyes and face during the day. When the sun's height relative to me changes, say I'm on a hill, it's easy to adjust that angle to cover more of my view. It works much like the car visor would do. Now in the morning and the afternoon, when that sun is low, I flip the polarized pane down. That decreases the glare and I can still see the road. Even just on bright days, it's often more comfortable to drive that way. Now it doesn't always show well in pictures and on the video, but we chose an amber color for this visor because it improves contrast and your visual clarity while driving. And of course, the great thing about having the ADDVISOR separate from the car visor is that you get that two-direction sun protection. And no more duck and flip you have to do when the car turns. We know it's not always clear from the pictures and the instructions, so I hope this helps you get the best protection and the most comfort from your ADDVISOR. Enjoy the drive.